If you don't crop your photos, you are missing out on creating better images by creating more awesome compositions. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop your images in Photoshop like a pro. First, let's get started by opening your image in Photoshop. Head to File, Open and select the image you want to work on. Select the crop tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. Now you can adjust the size of the area you want to keep by dragging the edges and corners of that crop box. The lines that you can see show the rule of thirds, but you can change what is overlaid by clicking here and changing it to whatever compositional aid you like. Note, if your photo isn't straight, you can also move the mouse outside of the crop area till it turns into a little arrow. You can now rotate the image to straighten the horizon or lines in your photo. Once you're happy with your crop selection, press Enter or click the checkmark icon in the toolbar to apply the crop. And that's it, you successfully cropped the photo in Photoshop. But wait, there's more. In Photoshop you have the option to constrain your crop to a specific aspect ratio or, well, simply size by holding down the Shift key while dragging the crop box. See how now I keep the image in the exact same proportions? This is great for when you need to crop your image to a specific size, like for social media content for example. And there you have it, the basics of cropping in Photoshop. Remember, cropping is just one of the many tools available to you in Photoshop. So don't be afraid to experiment and try everything out. Here's a video to get you started on all the basics that you need to know. Beginner friendly. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button if you so desire. And as usual, stay safe and have a good one.